Hooking a prehistoric fish.
He's hooked up. We've seen it. It's a gigantic muskie. Lake St. Clair. This man catches them all. Dude, it's like, it looks like it's like 5 feet long.
Dude, that's what I'm saying.
It's a sturgeon, guys.
See that? He's hooked on the fin.
Yeah, I think I grab his tail. He looks like he's done. I think I'm supposed to grab the tail, right?
I don't know how you're supposed to grab these things.
Watch your rod just in case he takes off right now when he hits the surface. I'll grab his tail.
Oh, it's okay, dude. He was so big.
Goosebumps, dude. That was crazy. Oh, that was huge.